third annual sneaker drive. Today we give back to less fortunate. We here at the Wall Street, Manhattan, 11 and a half. We here at Sneaker Drive. We're in Brooklyn with the vibe. Oh! Sneaker Drive, baby. Even the Porsche got kicks, baby, ready to rock. Third annual sneaker drive. This is our first location, the Amityville Coalition. 100 pairs. Sneaker drive. We here at the Wall Street, Manhattan Coalition, about to unload another 100 pairs. 11 and a half. We here at Sneaker Drive. We're in Brooklyn with the vibe.
Guys, thank you so much. Happy New Year.
We're here, third annual, baby. Size 11. Yo, Horny, 11 and a half. Let's start doing it. Boom, there you go. Boom, like a 13, 11 and a half.
I'm rap for y'all know that. I'm laying it up.
Wow, now I'm laying it up. My man All Out John gave him an exclusive pair.
You gotta give those to somebody else.
Get those on?
Damn right, that's blessing. Sneaker job. Y'all see what they doing? Oh my God. Y'all see what they on set, baby. BRC is lit.
Para ellos, hermanos son novatos los que se lanzan porque dicen que